I'm going to show you how you can fix your DHgate payment not verifying. Now, there's not a lot of ways you can actually fix this. There's only two I'm going to show you right now. First off, you're going to go to cart here. Now, on cart, you want to go ahead and go to the things you want to buy and you want to select this. And then you want to tap on checkout. Now, once you tap on checkout, you want to really double check everything you have with the new kind of payment method here, right? So for example, my payment method is with a Visa or a card here, right? You want to double check everything. Double check the card number is correct. Double check the expiry date is correct as well. And then double check the CVV is correct as well, right? Double check everything. Cross every T and dot every number as well, right? Make sure everything is correct, because if even one number is wrong, then of course it will go into an error. Now, if that doesn't fix it, then the only other method you can try right now is either switching to a new payment method, right? So just switch to Skrill, PayPal, things like that. Switch to that and see if that works, or just wait it out. If you're sure everything is correct and a card or a PayPal or something like that is the only payment method you can use, then it might be something wrong on DHgate's end. Maybe their server is having issues, so you can just wait it out. Or if all things fail, then you can also just contact customer support directly on DHgate.